We know you love woodworking, but don't want to empty your wallet on tools. That's why we have made this video where you'll find 10 coolest woodworking tools under $50 on Amazon. And believe me, you're gonna love them. Starting off strong, the DEKOPRO electric jigsaw is a tool that truly earns its place on your workbench for precision woodcutting. Equipped with a robust 3000 SPM motor, this corded jigsaw can handle a variety of cuts across different wood types, making it a practical choice for both beginners and experienced woodworkers. Its variable speed control allows you to match the cutting speed to your blade and material, ensuring clean, controlled results without tear-outs. The toolless blade clamp makes switching blades quick, saving you time during projects, while the sturdy metal base adjusts from 0 degrees to 45 degrees for accurate bevel cuts on furniture parts and trims. With its 4 orbital settings, you can select aggressive cutting for softer woods or fine, slower cutting for hardwoods, adapting to your project's needs seamlessly. It even includes a dust port adapter for a vacuum hose to keep your cut line visible, and a parallel guide for consistent parallel cuts. Priced at just $35, this jigsaw brings solid versatility without draining your budget. Moving on, the JOREST Connectable Contour Gauge is a tool that brings precision to the moments you need it most, whether you're working on trim fitting, tile cutting, or complex floor layouts. Unlike standard contour gauges, this one comes with connectable 5-inch and 10-inch pieces, allowing you to create a 15-inch gauge when profiling larger objects. It's designed with a double-sided scale in both inches and centimeters, and its ultra-thin 0.05-inch blades capture detailed profiles accurately, which is especially useful when tracing irregular shapes like molding, pipes, or wall corners for cuts. The protractor spacing remains tight even after splicing, maintaining measurement accuracy for repeated tasks. The blade tightness can be adjusted with a simple screwdriver, ensuring consistent tension during repeated use. Whether you're laying vinyl, installing baseboards, or working on woodworking joinery, this $22 tool helps reduce guesswork and all the material waste. When it comes to maintaining your chisels and planer blades, the AUXTUR Sharpening Stone with Honing Guide tool set offers a complete solution for keeping your tools razor sharp and ready for next project. This set includes a honing guide that securely holds your blade while allowing you to fine-tune the sharpening angle with precision, ensuring the entire edge is uniformly sharpened without rocking. The upgraded off-center roller design helps you handle shorter blades with ease, while the wide roller base provides stability, so you can focus on achieving a keen edge without tipping or uneven sharpening. Compatible with chisels and planer blades ranging from 0.2 inches up to 2.55 inches in width, it covers almost all your edge tools in the shop. Made from heavy-duty aluminum alloy, this sharpening guide is durable, wear-resistant, and rust-proof, ensuring reliable performance for years. At around $37, it's a small investment that pays off by extending the life and precision of your woodworking tools. For those moments when you need a clean edge finish, the Jorgensson Chamfer plane is a reliable companion in the shop. Designed from high-grade aluminum and precisely machined, this corner-easing plane provides durability while delivering smooth, consistent chamfers on your edges. The large thumb wheel on top allows you to adjust the cut depth precisely, making it easy to customize the chamfer according to your project's needs. It comes equipped with a 45-degree chamfer 01 steel blade, which produces clean, crisp results on hardwood and softwood alike, while additional blades for different radiuses can be purchased separately if you wish to expand your edge profiling capabilities. Priced at just under $50, it's a worthwhile addition to your toolkit if you value clean and refined edges on your woodworking projects. For cutting tasks that require portability and power, the Inequalit Mini Circular Saw offers an impressive package for its size and price. It comes equipped with a 4-amp motor capable of reaching 3,500 RPM, allowing you to cut through wood, laminate flooring, PVC pipes, plastics, plasterboard, and MDF with ease. One of its standout features is the built-in laser beam guide and scale ruler, helping you achieve precise, straight cuts even on challenging materials. The bevel lever allows angle adjustments up to 45 degrees, making it suitable for bevel and miter cuts without needing a bulky saw setup. Additionally, the adjustable depth gauge offers flexibility, letting you handle cuts up to 1 11/16 inches deep while maintaining accuracy and control. Its compact and lightweight design makes it ideal for one-handed use, reducing fatigue during longer sessions.
At around $40, this mini saw is a powerful, budget-friendly option for cutting tasks around your workshop or job site. If you find yourself assembling frames, boxes, or cabinets often, the Weltos corner clamp can save you time and headaches. This set of 4 clamps is designed to hold wood pieces securely at a perfect 90-degree angle, ensuring accurate alignment for gluing, screwing, or nailing. The clamps can handle board thicknesses ranging from 3/16 inch to 1/3 inch, making them suitable for various DIY and woodworking projects. The strong spring tension keeps your board stable while you fasten them, reducing movement and improving joint accuracy. Constructed from durable polyamide material, these clamps are built for long-term use and come packaged in a gift box, making them a thoughtful yet practical gift for any woodworker. And the best part? You can get this tool only for $13. When it comes to smoothing and flattening boards, the WEN 6530 6-amp HP electric hand planer provides impressive performance without weighing you down. Featuring a powerful 6-amp motor capable of 34,000 cuts per minute, this planer can efficiently remove material to achieve smooth, even surfaces. With 16 positive stops for adjusting cutting depth from 0 to 1/8 of an inch, you have the flexibility to control how much material you remove with each pass, making it ideal for fine-tuning surfaces before finishing. The planer also includes a 5/16 inch rabbiting guide, allowing you to make rabbets up to 1 inch in size, adding versatility to your project. Weighing just 6 pounds, it's easy to use on large boards without tiring you out. This makes it a handy tool for flattening, smoothing, and edge planing, all for around $50. For those who value precision in layout work, the Savsac Rechargeable Digital Angle Finder is a tool you'll reach for repeatedly. The V-groove edges and magnetic base allow you to attach the angle finder securely to metal surfaces for hands-free measurements, which is particularly useful when setting up tools or checking blade angles on saws. The built-in rechargeable battery offers up to 4 hours of use on a quick 30-minute charge, eliminating the need for disposable batteries and reducing downtime. Additional features like auto power-off and data hold functions help preserve battery life while allowing you to capture readings in hard-to-see areas. Priced at $24, this digital angle finder is a compact yet essential tool for ensuring your angles and slopes are dialed in accurately. Although it sits just outside the $50 bracket, the Alloyman router tool is worth mentioning for those willing to stretch their budget slightly for a feature ridge router. With an 8.5 amp motor and variable speeds ranging from 12,000 to 30,000 RPM, this router allows you to tackle milling, trimming, and carving tasks with confidence across various materials. The precise depth adjustment system ensures clean, accurate cuts, while the ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use during extended sessions. The transparent dust collection system helps maintain visibility while keeping your workspace clean, allowing you to work efficiently without constant cleanup interruptions. Although the price exceeds a bit, it's a valuable investment for adding detailed and decorative finishes to your woodworking project. The Milescraft 1622 sanding block may be the simplest tool on this list, but it's undoubtedly one of the most practical for your shop. Featuring 4 sanding profiles, flat, convex, concave, and tight edge, it allows you to tackle a range of contours and edges without the hassle of switching between multiple sanding blocks. The quick-snap sandpaper locking system enables fast changes between coarse and fine grits, and it works with any quarter sheet of sandpaper, ensuring you're always ready for sanding tasks no matter the grit you have on hand. Whether you are preparing surfaces for finishing or fine-tuning edges on your project, this $7 sanding block offers unmatched flexibility at an unbeatable price. And there you have it, 10 super cheap, practical woodworking tools available on Amazon. You'll find their links in the description. Let us know in the comments which one you have added to your cart. Subscribe for more budget tool tips and hit the bell so you don't miss the next woodworking upgrade for your shop.